The ACS Group services and supports a comprehensive product mix for a broad selection of industrial markets. Support is provided through our in-house technical experts. Born from over 80 years of industrial experience, the ACS Group maintains an expansive product line, which includes size reduction equipment, granulators and shredders, material conveying equipment, metering and blending devices, precise temperature control, mold temperature control units and chillers, drying systems, and presses. These products are marketed under such recognizable brand names as AEC, Sterling, Sterlco, Cumberland, Wabash, and Carver, making ACS Group the premier OEM offering world-class product service and support. ACS Group follows a comprehensive approach to ensuring customer satisfaction and equipment reliability. From the initial commissioning of the equipment to ongoing service, support, and parts, we are here to ensure your facility realizes the full longevity of your equipment while maximizing productivity. ACS Group is set up to maintain your ongoing operations, as well as position you for future growth. When you elect startup service on your new equipment, a factory-certified technician can be on-site to oversee the entire commissioning and startup process, remaining on-site until you are satisfied. Additionally, training is provided during this time to ensure the safe and proper ongoing usage of the equipment. ACS will facilitate your continued safety and productivity with in-person instruction throughout your equipment's lifetime. From understanding all product features to proper maintenance, we will empower your team with the knowledge to be your in-house expert and first line of support. Plus, our online library provides quick, on-the-spot access to equipment resources, such as manuals from a mobile device. When your equipment needs additional support, the ACS Technical Support Team is staffed with factory-certified technicians, renowned for their responsiveness and deep product knowledge that is specific to your industry. They are committed to delivering fast, accurate results. When it comes to replacement parts and consumables, the ACS Group Aftermarket Parts Support Team is expertly trained to swiftly identify the parts you need and promptly ship them. The team is devoted to delivering authentic OEM parts and consumables, designed specifically for your equipment to ensure efficient operations and minimize potential downtime. No one likes unexpected downtime or inefficiencies. Planned preventative maintenance is crucial in reducing or eliminating them. We will evaluate and customize a maintenance plan specific to your application. Take it a step further and leverage remote monitoring with ACS MyView, an IoT equipment monitoring solution to optimize your production and further pinpoint the source of issues. Make data-driven decisions that improve maintenance routines and reduce overall costs. During regular maintenance appointments, our certified technicians will also conduct a safety audit to ensure the equipment is in good working order. Prevention is important when it comes to safety. In the event that your equipment is nearing the end of its useful life, extend the life of your investment through factory repair and refurbishment, bringing your equipment to near new condition. We completely disassemble your machine, inspect all components, and either remanufacture or replace them as needed. Rather than simply fixing broken parts, we remanufacture or replace any part that could cause problems with extended use. An OEM repair and refurbishment with updated safety features makes your old machine's production capabilities comparable to that of a new machine, a sustainable solution. When it is time to replace your equipment or expand operations, our application experts will help you evaluate our latest products that align best with your production requirements and build a tailored solution for you. ACS Group Aftermarket Service and Support is dedicated to the optimal function of your equipment, from startup and training to maintenance, technical support, and OEM parts, plus refurbishment and replacement guidance. Our team of experts is here to support you and your equipment for its entire lifetime. Contact ACS Group for the expertise to sustain and protect your investment.